And welcome back to another studio vlog. This vlog literally started on Monday, it's currently Friday. It's been a really heavily kind of admin type of week. I've actually been working a lot on Baby Blue and renewing the listings and everything on Baby Blue. I've also released some new products over there. I also took new product photos of pretty much every single print that's in that shop. So it's kind of been a really heavy admin week. I also created some new tissue paper, which I'll show you a little bit later, which will be coming very, very soon. I've got Halloween tissue paper coming and I've got a Christmas tissue paper coming. So I'm super, super excited to show you that. It's just going to make it really fun to receive a package with a holiday theming on it, and I absolutely love Halloween and all the festivities towards it, and I also love Christmas as well, so super excited for that to arrive. I also updated my Pudding the Dog sticker set, so if you guys found me from my first ever studio vlog, you will recognise this guy, but it was time for a little bit of a redesign. You guys still really, really like him and he sells really well towards Halloween, but I felt like my style was a little bit outdated. A few of my products are a little bit like that now, where my current style doesn't fit really the older style that I used to do when I was still trying to develop my skill set. So I have actually updated him, and I'm going to do some cutting and making some sticker packs of him ready for Halloween and Christmas. But first of all, before we get into the studio vlog, I want to say a huge thank you to our sponsors today. Can you guess what I'm going to say? You probably can. It's Skillshare. So Skillshare is an amazing online platform with tons and tons of online classes for you to choose from. I personally love Skillshare, and I am currently in the process of designing some new products, and that is in the form of earrings, and I'm super, super excited about this, but I have literally no idea where to start with it. I am actually thinking of getting a friend to manufacture them, but I want to know the basis of jewellery making. So I'm actually taking an online class on Skillshare at the moment by Tara Finley, and it is the jewellery making class, like a beginner's one about looping and wiring. So I'm taking that class at the moment, and I find it so invaluable that I can just literally go on to Skillshare and do classes like this, because it's super, super helpful, because I literally do not know where to start. And having this online platform, it's just super, super cool, because it means I will then be able to experiment with the earrings and make sure I like them before I then get someone to make them up themselves, if that makes sense. And they are offering the first 1,000 people to click in the link in my description. I'll also pin a comment so you can easily find the link. 2 months free Skillshare Premium, so you guys can try out the classes and see what you think about it. So thank you so much, Skillshare, it really means so much. Now let's get into the studio vlog. The first thing I'm going to actually do is I'm going to finish uploading the Baby Blue listing photos. I've got about 5 more designs to upload, so let's get into the working day, shall we?
Yeah, what we'll do is we'll wait.
morning guys and happy Tuesday. So the week hasn't really gone to plan. We've run out of sticker paper, so it meant that I couldn't make the pudding sticker packs that I wanted, and we're actually going away camping to the Lake District on Thursday. So that's kind of been thrown to the wayside and probably something I'll do next week. As soon as I'm back from my camping trip, I'm going to start focusing on the new Halloween products and merchandise that I want to get going and underway, because I really want to try and get earrings in for Halloween. Fingers crossed it all goes according to plan. Last night me and Dean worked till about 11 o'clock at night and we just got loads of orders done. It was really kind of cozy. We had like comfy music on. It was just really fun. Anyway, it's another rainy, drizzly day outside, so let's just get into the working day, shall we? Oops, I just realised this piece of hair was right in front of my eyeball. I'm sorry if that irritated you. Oh, and just before I forget, for those of you who absolutely love Procreate, I know a lot of you messaged me saying you've just bought an iPad and you've just downloaded Procreate. My good friend Tom over at Design Cuts is actually doing this whole Procreate weekend. So they've got like a whole itinerary. It's kind of like a mini online Procreate festival. It's such a cool idea. They've got loads of different designers coming in, and they're also doing like this huge bundle. Like it says 100 plus amazing Procreate products at a huge 50% off. Like all the brushes and stuff. I don't know if you guys watch my Procreate series, but some of the brushes I've used are from Design Cuts. So thank you so much, Tom, for making me aware of that. I'm super jealous that I'm not going to be able to watch some of these live because I'm away camping. It's not sponsored or anything, but the link will be an affiliate link. So I hope you enjoy it. It looks pretty freaking cool if you ask me. Anyway, let's get into the working day, shall we? Everything, really. Okay, so this whole studio vlog has not really gone according to plan. Every week is a different adventure here in Katnipp Studios. So last night I went out with a couple of friends to a nice meal, and unfortunately the majority of us caught food poisoning last night. It was a rough night last night, and I didn't get in work till extremely late. It's now 4 p.m. We've just got in. I'm feeling a little better, but I do have a lot of work to do before I go away to Ullswater tomorrow in the Lake District. So typical that I get sick before I'm going away. This literally happens on the majority of the trips I take. Anyone remember my Florida vlogs last June? I got sick just as I was about to leave, and I was sick for the majority of my stay over in Florida. Sod's law, right? So I'm gonna have to unfortunately end the studio vlog here. I'm so sorry because I don't even know what footage I've got for this vlog, so I hope you enjoyed it regardless. Thank you so freaking much for watching. I will be doing a personal vlog over at the Lake District for our journey, so if you want to follow me there, the link will be in the description to follow the personal channel. We're going out in Peggy, so it's gonna be super fun, the van. So yeah, thank you so freaking much for watching, and a super big shout out to my beautiful patrons, because without them this all wouldn't be possible. Alright then, Thank you, well, without any of you this all wouldn't be possible, let's admit that. Anyway, I'll see you all very freaking soon. Alright then, thanks so much for watching. I love you. Goodbye.